Before we start the video, please take some time to read through the important notes and disclaimer. Do note that investments always involve risk and the possibility of losses, and past performance is no guarantee of future performance. Any reference to prediction, projection, forecast on the economy, stock market, bond market, or the economic trends of the markets or past performance is not necessarily indicative of and is no guarantee to the future or likely performance of your investments. Hi everyone, I'm Taizi, CIO and co-founder of AutoWealth. I'm here today to introduce you our latest product offering, AutoWealth Plus. Before I deep dive into what AutoWealth Plus is all about, let me share with you a little bit more about myself. Before I co-founded the company, I worked for our Singapore Sovereign Wealth Fund, then a macro-driven hedge fund, and a family fund. All in all, I bring together more than 15 years of experience in managing investments. I'm passionate about helping everyone and anyone achieve your financial dreams, no matter how big or small, through good investing. As many of our existing clients would have known, at AutoWealth, we take pride in advising and managing your investments, regardless of your investment amount, be it 3,000 or 300,000. We will always dedicate resources and time to support our clients in the best way possible. Let me now introduce what AutoWealth Plus is. It is our latest thematic offerings where we feature 100% equity portfolios that has concentrated focus in areas such as geographic and industry segments. The 5 portfolios under AutoWealth Plus are designed to capitalize on long-term mega trends and has high historical returns. Starting off with our Future of New Economies portfolio, it is designed to deliver strong risk-adjusted returns by diversifying into China, Taiwan, India, and South Korean equity markets. Next, we have the Future 2050 portfolio that aims to capitalize on the growth in technology and healthcare sector. As compared to other portfolios, it has an overall star rating of 5 stars, which implies that it has the greatest investment return after taking account the potential risk involved. With business and consumers increasingly turn digital, the Future of Digital Economy portfolio aims to earn above market returns through its allocation to internet and e-commerce and fintech companies. Moving on, the Growth and Momentum portfolio aims to provide above market returns through its allocation to companies that exhibit growth characteristics and companies with persistent high risk-adjusted excess returns such as Apple and Microsoft. Lastly, the Pandemic Turnaround portfolio identifies economic sectors which are expected to benefit significantly from the post-pandemic economic recovery. Example, the aviation industry and consumer discretionary sector. Then, you might wonder, how does AutoWealth Plus fit into my financial planning? The objective of AutoWealth Plus is to complement your overall investment portfolio once you become more knowledgeable and advanced in your investment decision making. In general, a good financial planning requires a 3-step process. First step is to build your foundation by setting aside an emergency fund to hedge against unforeseen expenditures. After you have set aside an emergency fund, you then start investing towards achieving your essential goals in life, such as housing, children's education, and retirement with our AutoWealth Starter offering. The risk-based portfolios offered in AutoWealth Starter are a mix of globally diversified ETFs that are easy to understand and meant to work towards your essential goals in life. After you have carved out commitments towards your essential goals in life, you then use the excess funds to invest towards your aspirational ones, such as a sea view condominium. AutoWealth Plus is designed specifically to work towards such aspirations and should only be invested after you have set aside adequate commitment towards your essential goals in life. So, how does AutoWealth Plus fee structure works? AutoWealth Plus features a groundbreaking innovative fee structure where AutoWealth will co-share part of the risk by charging only an annual performance fee of 8% on profits in each calendar year and fully absorbing all costs, including brokerage, exchange clearing fees, and custody fees. The fees are charged at the end of each calendar year based on the portfolio value at the beginning and the end of the calendar year, net of all fund deposits and withdrawals in USD terms. In the event the AutoWealth Plus portfolio is not in a profit position at the end of the calendar year, there will be no fees and charges for the calendar year. That is why you can rest assured that we will work very hard to ensure that you are profiting. Let's compare AutoWealth Plus performance-based fee structure with the industry high watermark feature used by many hedge fund managers. For those who may not know, a high watermark is the highest level of value reached by an investment portfolio and is used as a threshold to determine if a fund manager can receive a performance fee. Traditional high watermark provisions help to prevent fund managers from receiving performance fees until prior losses are recovered. Here, you can see a comparison of AutoWealth Plus 8% on profits fee structure versus the industry high watermark structure for a $10,000 starting portfolio and returns based on the MSCI Emerging Market Index over the last 5 years. Based on the industry's norm, hedge fund managers charge a management fee of 1.4% of the fund's net asset value and a performance fee of 16.4% of the fund's profits. From here, we can see if an investor invests over a 5-year period, AutoWealth actually charge less fees as compared to the high watermark structure. This is because we have considered the impact of a typical high watermark feature and reduced the annual performance fee to 8% to generally compensate for the hypothetical high watermark impact. AutoWealth Plus fee structure is designed to make it simple and easy to understand for our users. And at the same time, we stand by our commitment to help grow your wealth at a low cost. So, how about I just DIY myself? Wouldn't that be cheaper? These are some questions that you might ask yourself as an investor. To answer some of these questions that you may have, we have done the math for you, and it's quite clear that investing with AutoWealth Plus can help you to save time and money. As seen in the graph, if an investor that chooses to DIY the portfolio over the span of 5 years, the investor is estimated to incur a total cost of $1,037, inclusive of trading commissions, custody fees, and FX spread, in comparison to the $680 charged by AutoWealth Plus. Moreover, this $1,037 is not inclusive of the time and effort you need to manage your portfolio. The reason for the lower cost is due to the fact that we are able to achieve cost savings as a result of the large number of portfolios that we are managing. Still not convinced? Let me share with you more on why you should invest with AutoWealth Plus. AutoWealth Plus is really a simple product that helps you invest in various mega trends with high growth potential. All you need to do is to follow a 3-step process, which I will share later on, to create a portfolio with us. As mentioned earlier, we have a dedicated investment team to help fully manage your portfolio, so you don't need to have advanced investing knowledge, tons of experience, or spend precious time trying to figure out your investments. All AutoWealth Plus portfolios went through rigorous portfolio construction, ETF selection, and stringent risk management stress tests. Furthermore, our professional wealth managers will be there to support you from examining your overall financial situation, determining your risk tolerance, recommending a suitable portfolio, monitoring your portfolio, and the progress towards your financial goal. With a small amount of fee, you will be able to focus on what matters to you most and at the same time grow your wealth. As mentioned earlier, all you need to do is to follow 3 simple steps to create an AutoWealth Plus portfolio with us today. First, to open an account with us, you will need to head over to our website and click Get Started. Next, you can create the AutoWealth Plus portfolio by clicking the Plus tab and follow the instructions to fill in your financial goals, information, and risk assessment. Lastly, you pick a preferred AutoWealth Plus portfolio and then fund your account. We have now come to the end of the introductory video. If you have any questions, please visit our website or drop us an email to client services. Do look out for our next few videos as we will be deep diving into the individual portfolios to understand their investment objectives and the underlying ETFs. Stay tuned. See you there.